I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever looked up multiple items and now your search bar is cluttered with past inquiries, I'm here to help you clear it out and keep everything neat and organized. Whether you are looking to refresh your marketplace experience or just maintain a bit more privacy, this simple process will only take a few moments. Let's start by navigating to Facebook Marketplace. Open Facebook either on your desktop or your mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're on Facebook, look over to the left-hand side of your screen or at the bottom of your app where you'll see the little shop icon representing Marketplace. Go ahead and click or tap on that symbol. Now that you're in the Marketplace, you'll want to focus your attention on the search bar. The search bar is typically located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will let you view your recent searches. You might see different search terms you've used, probably mixed with some old ones that you no longer need. We're going to clean this up. Once you click on the search bar, the next thing you need to do is hover over your recent searches. By doing this, you'll notice that a drop-down menu appears, or you may find a list of your recent search terms popping up right beneath the search bar. This is where Facebook helpfully keeps track of all the things you've looked up recently. It's a handy feature, but sometimes a little decluttering is necessary. Hovering over each search term, you should see a small option to clear or remove them. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. As you move your cursor or tap around on these recent searches, you might notice an X or a clear option next to each one. For a more thorough cleanup, look carefully for an option that says Clear Recent Searches. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Click this and it will remove all the saved search terms at once. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted your saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. Repeat this process whenever you feel like decluttering or refreshing your search history. Remember, keeping your searches up to date not only helps you find what you need more quickly next time, but it also adds an extra layer of privacy to your buying journey on Facebook. As we wrap up, remember that keeping your online activity organized can make your digital experience more efficient and enjoyable. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tips. Until next time, happy searching on Facebook Marketplace.